I'm gonna set up to do a roast. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna fuel this with some mesquite charcoal. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful.
It's almost at the end of the lamp.
Actually in the oven for 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes, and the temperature's already come up from 85 degrees to 119, so it's coming up pretty fast. Okay, we've reached 160 degrees. Wow, it smells amazing. Come on out, you beautiful piece of meat. Yeah, if I could get that side to stay up, that would be beautiful.
Right there.
And running about an hour and 45 minutes. Okay, we've been running for 3 hours now. I've kept the temperature under 200 degrees. Let's see what this beauty looks like. Oh, it smells so good. And so, wow, look at that.
So juicy.
Ooh, maybe like French dip with that or something.
All right,
Oh, Mama.
let's try this out.
Oh, yours. Good for Jimmy.
Yeah, shredding pretty good. We wanted shredded beef for nachos, and then we're gonna make a kind of some roast beef sandwiches.
You want to bring that to Daddy? There you go.
Yeah, that's
Jimmy's
good.
growling at her toy.
Pretty hot though. Just hold it on the edge. We're all hungry.
Yeah, we are hungry, huh?
Primal here, just eating a piece of roasted
I
meat.
know. That's good stuff. All right, we better put it away before
I know, we're gonna
I
eat it
it
all. We don't have any for
Can I have
nachos.
more?